Hey guys, Spencer here from My Tennessee Home Solution. Just want to take a quick 30 seconds and answer a question that we've been getting a lot recently. Right? The big thing people want to know at the end of the day is how much money they're going to take home from selling their home. So I wanted to cover 3 things that you're not going to have to pay for when we purchase your home. The first one, fees. There's no closing costs, there's no staging costs, there's no listing costs, there's no associated fees or costs from our purchase of your property. We simply want to purchase your home in a quick, simple, and efficient manner, which allows you to move on to your next adventure with cash in your pocket. And in that, right, we believe this to be a service. We want to purchase your home, but in the way that makes the most sense for you. Given this is a service, we don't believe that we should pay ourselves, so there's no commissions. That's the second biggest thing that you won't pay for, right? So fees and commissions. There's no commissions, right? We don't want to make a percentage off of buying your home. That wouldn't make sense to you. That wouldn't be fair to you. This is a service. It should be easy for you. And in the sense of ease as well, we don't want you to pay for any repairs. And that's the third and sometimes the biggest, is we want to buy your house exactly as it sits right now and as is by. We don't want you to put any money into repairing the house, fixing anything, changing anything, remodeling, or updating any of that stuff. Let us worry about that. We have our own veteran crews. They'll go to work. They'll take care of all that stuff. That should come out of our pocket, never out of yours. If some of that sounds good to you, give us a call. I'm Spencer once again, and look forward to buying your house.